One love, one heart. Let's get together.
Again, people, Zara healthy food again from the market. Right now, we have cook some Ital Stew. Right now we have the peas going with the coconut juice now. Here it is. All who don't like the meat, we're gonna let the coconut go and cook for a while. So, follow me. Let it cook for a while. Looking after the vegetable now. Get the pumpkin. This is the pumpkin. Come on. This is the pumpkin. The carrot. Natural food. No artificial. Yeah man, the people. Them a food that make you want more and more. Every time. More and more. Like the onion. So the spice now. The onion. You got the thyme. This is the thyme. I don't know what to call it, but this time we call it, you know, spicy. Okra. We have a string bean. You cut the string bean like this. Yeah, man. Cut it out, you want to cut it out. Yeah, man. You want to cut it shorter, you can do it. Hot bean. Okay. Put it in the vegetable now. Okay. The okra, the string bean. Go and simmer down. Yeah, my people, the season, thyme, the onion, the garlics, yeah, my people, stirring it now to get it moving. Ital Stew this now. Sweet finisher now, what the finishing touches, right? Ready to eat, you know. Yeah man, ready to eat, ready to eat. White rice with it. You can eat it with anything you want to eat it with, you know. But white rice is nice with it. Right there, so. Yeah man, eat this man.
And feel alright. Hear the children crying.